Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I want to give you a quick tip on how you can import a PDF into Command and then edit that PDF and create your own document. All right, let's get started. Let's say that this is the PDF that I want to download, okay? I'm going to go up here and download as a PDF. So I'm downloading that to my computer. And you'll see it's downloading here. The next step would be to go to Designs. If you are not familiar, when you are on the home page here in Command, this is Designs right here, the little paper with the paintbrush. Once you're in Designs, you're going to go up here to Import. And then once that opens, you will see Import PDF files right here in the middle. We're going to click on Import PDF files. You can click or drag. So I'm going to actually just drag and drop here because I've got my document right there. So now you will see that it is uploading. Now it's checking the fonts. And now it's uploading over here. Now that it's in here, you'll see up here this little eye in the top right corner. I'm going to click on that. And now you'll see something is missing. Your PDF is missing a specific measurement unit. Please update it by clicking in the PDF. So I'm going to click on the PDF. And then it's going to open checking missing fonts. So what I recommend here, just click replace all. This is a very fast solution for this. And then select from library fonts. I usually just do the very top one. If you want a different font, you can play around with these, but that's just the one I choose. And then I click continue. Now it will pull up the measurement unit. It says here pixels are best suited for web, while inches, centimeter, and millimeter are best used for print. So I'm going to select pixel because this is a document a flyer that I want to edit and then post on social media. So I'm going to click continue. And now you'll see it is open here. So once we open it, this was a PDF, right? Now when I click on this, you'll see that I can start typing and editing this PDF. When you just click on it one time, you can move the boxes around. You even have your little guidelines there to show you if you've centered it or lined it up properly. And then if you double click in a box, you get the little cursor where you can actually start typing. So you can do that to the whole document. You can even delete a picture, click and drag and drop a different picture there. You can add your logo. Let's say I want to put my logo on here, but I want to make it a little smaller. Can do that. Let's say I wanted to do this one. We can do this. And like you see, the guidelines move as you move pictures or text boxes around. And then you can even, let's say we wanted to make this look more like a watermark. When I'm clicked on the logo, I can go up here to opacity, click that, and just lower this. And you'll see it kind of fades it into the background like a watermark. Once you're finished editing your flyer, you would just go up here to download and change it to a JPEG. And now you have edited a PDF, and now I have downloaded it and made it a JPEG, which means I can post this easily on Facebook, any social media platform, and it's ready to go. All right, if y'all need any help, let me know. Have a great day.